To conclude the varieties of religious experience, a study in human nature by William James. We are at the end of lecture 19, other characteristics. It is the source of our dreams, and apparently they may return to it. In it arise whatever mystical experiences we may have, and our automatisms, sensory or motor, our life in hypnotic and hypnoid conditions. If we are subject to such conditions, our delusions, fixed ideas, and hysterical accidents. If we are hysteric subjects, our supranormal cognitions, if such there be, and if we are telepathic subjects, it is also the fountainhead of much that feeds our religion, and persons deep in religious life, as we have now abundantly seen, and this is my conclusion. The door into this religion seems unusually wide open, at any rate, and experiences making their entrance through that door have had emphatic influence in shaping religious history. With this conclusion, I turn back and close the circle which I opened in my first lecture, terminating thus the review which I then announced of interreligious phenomena as we find them in developed and articulate human individuals. I might easily, if the time allowed, multiply both my documents and my discriminations. But a broad treatment is, I believe, in itself better, and the most important characteristic of the subject lie, I think, before us already. In the next lecture, which is also the last one, we must try to draw the critical conclusions which so much material may suggest.